Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you would jump start your car and check your battery on your Mercedes-Benz. This is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz S550. This procedure does work for an array of your Mercedes vehicles. So first, you're going to need to pop your hood. You're going to need to get into the engine compartment and pop your hood. If your battery is completely dead, there is a way to manually get into your car, and that is in another step. But your key fob has a key in it that can manually unlock there, and there will be a link to that. But first, you're going to get into the engine bay. You're going to locate your battery. Your battery is right here at the back of the engine bay on the left-hand side or the passenger side of the vehicle, and this is the battery. We've got our negative post on the left, and we got our positive post on the right. Okay? So you're going to either take your jumper cables. Now if you're using a jumper cable with another car, they recommend that you put your positive on here and you put a negative on a good ground. And we have a post right here where you can put the negative and there and there. Otherwise, if you have a jumper box, you do essentially the same thing. So you take your jumper box, okay, and they recommend you do the negative first. So you find a good place. So we're going to put our negative there, and we put the positive here. And then hit the boost jumper box, and then go ahead and let that charge a few minutes, and then go ahead and start your car. And that's how you would do a jump start of your vehicle, of a Mercedes-Benz of a Mercedes-Benz S550. Once your car's started and running, then you can go ahead and unhook these clips and set those aside. But the other thing you're going to want to double check, you're going to want to check your voltage that's coming out of your alternator, or you're also going to want to go through the processes of checking your battery to make sure whether it's good or not. You can use a simple voltmeter or a battery tester, or you can go to your local auto parts store and they can check these. They can check your battery while it's in the car. And if it comes to the determination that you need to replace the battery, we'll go over that here shortly. But that's how you would jump start your car in the event that your battery is dead, or you left the lights on, or whichever one. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.